Do you know what microbial toxins are and how they might be lurking in your food? Microbial toxins are harmful substances produced by bacteria, fungi, and algae. These microorganisms are everywhere, in the air, water, soil, and yes, even in our food. When certain conditions are met, they can multiply and produce toxins that contaminate our food. These toxins can pose serious health risks, from causing mild discomfort to severe illness, and in rare cases, even death. For those involved in the food industry, it's crucial to understand these toxins, not only to ensure the safety and quality of the food products, but also to protect public health. For us consumers, being aware of microbial toxins helps us make informed choices about our food. Uncovering the mysteries of microbial toxins begins with understanding what they are and how they impact our food. Microbial toxins come in various forms, each with its unique characteristics and impacts. Let's start with bacterial toxins. Produced by harmful bacteria, these toxins can cause a range of foodborne diseases, from mild food poisoning to severe conditions like botulism. Next, we have fungal toxins, also known as mycotoxins. These can contaminate crops and food products, leading to ailments like aflatoxicosis, which can be severe and even life-threatening. Finally, we have algal toxins. Produced by harmful algae blooms, these toxins can accumulate in seafood, causing illnesses like paralytic shellfish poisoning. It's important to note that these toxins are just a few examples of the many forms of microbial toxins that can contaminate our food. From bacteria to fungi to algae, these toxins have one thing in common. They pose a significant threat to food safety and public health. The implications of microbial toxins go beyond spoiling your dinner. These harmful substances pose significant threats to food safety and public health, leading to the onset of foodborne illnesses. The health risks associated with microbial toxins are not to be underestimated, ranging from mild symptoms such as nausea and diarrhea to more severe conditions like kidney failure, paralysis, and in extreme cases, even death. Microbial toxins, once ingested, can multiply rapidly, causing an array of health issues that can overwhelm even the healthiest of individuals. High-risk groups such as children, the elderly, and individuals with compromised immune systems are particularly vulnerable. Foodborne illnesses caused by microbial toxins also have a substantial economic impact. The cost of treating these illnesses, coupled with the loss of productivity due to sickness, can amount to billions of dollars each year. This economic burden is shouldered not only by individuals and their families, but also by healthcare systems and governments worldwide. But the impact doesn't stop at the personal level or even at the healthcare sector. The presence of microbial toxins in food can shake consumer confidence, leading to decreased sales and significant losses for food businesses. This ripple effect can damage the reputation of the food industry as a whole, impacting everyone from small family farms to multinational corporations. Moreover, food recalls due to microbial contamination can be a logistical nightmare and a financial disaster for food companies. These recalls not only cost millions in lost sales, but can also lead to lawsuits and tarnish brand reputations. Lastly, let's not forget the environmental impact. Large-scale food recalls mean tons of food wasted, contributing to the already significant problem of food waste and its associated environmental issues. In summary, the effects of microbial toxins are far-reaching, impacting not just individual health, but also our economy and society. It's clear that protecting our food from microbial toxins is not just about ensuring a tasty meal, but a matter of public health, economic stability, and environmental responsibility. In the face of microbial toxins, challenges abound. Yet, there is a path forward. The complexities of our global food supply chain, influenced by factors such as globalization, climate change, and the emergence of new toxins, make the control of microbial toxins in our food a daunting task. Globalization has expanded our culinary horizons, introducing us to a world of flavors. However, it has also made food safety management more complex. With ingredients sourced from every corner of the globe, ensuring the absence of microbial toxins at each step of the supply chain is a significant challenge. Climate change, too, has its role to play. As our planet warms, conditions become more conducive for the growth of certain bacteria, fungi, and algae. This can lead to an increase in the production of microbial toxins, posing an additional challenge for food safety. And then, there are the emerging toxins. As research progresses, we are continually discovering new microbial toxins that we previously didn't know existed. Keeping up with these discoveries and understanding how to control these toxins is an ongoing challenge. So how do we navigate these choppy waters? The answer may lie in an approach known as Integrated Food Safety Management, or IFM. This approach aims to manage food safety comprehensively, combining risk assessment, hazard analysis, preventive controls, and monitoring. IFSM is not about addressing one issue in isolation. Instead, it's about looking at the entire food production process, from farm to fork, and identifying where things could go wrong. It's about putting measures in place to prevent contamination and regularly checking to ensure these measures are working. Adopting the IFSM approach can help food companies and organizations mitigate the risks associated with microbial toxins. It's not an easy task, and it requires commitment at all levels, from policymakers to food producers to consumers. But it's a task worth undertaking, for the sake of our health and the health of our planet. While the challenges are significant, implementing robust measures like the Integrated Food Safety Management approach can help us safeguard food safety and public health. Microbial toxins in food, a complex issue with an achievable solution. We've journeyed through the landscape of microbial toxins, their diverse types, and the dangers they pose to food safety and public health. These silent threats can cause anything from mild discomfort to severe illness, and even death in some cases. But the challenges in controlling them are not insurmountable. With globalization, climate change, and the emergence of new toxins, the task may seem daunting, but remember, there's a proven solution at our disposal: Integrated Food Safety Management. By combining risk assessment, hazard analysis, preventive controls, and monitoring, we can manage food safety comprehensively. Several food companies and organizations have successfully adopted this approach, enhancing not just the safety and quality of their food products, but also consumer confidence. Remember, understanding and addressing microbial toxins is not just a task for food industry professionals, it's a responsibility we all share. Together, we can ensure the safety and quality of our food for a healthier future.